Okay, let me talk about this one. I want to graph this, which is y is equal to 16x plus 4. Now, you want to pick points that allow you to stay within the numbers you see on the screen. So if I put 1 in for x, 16 times 1 is 16 plus 4 is 20. That's beyond the 15 I have here. 0 would be a good one. If I plug in x equals 0, I got y is equal to 16 times 0 plus 4. Y is equal to 4. So I'm going to have the point 0, 4. If I plug in x equals negative 1, then I'm going to have y is equal to 16. I put negative 1. What am I doing? That should be a negative 1. 16 times negative 1 plus 4. Y is equal to negative 16 plus 4. Y is equal to negative 12. So I'm going to have negative 1, negative 12. Now, maybe you don't need to do this. Maybe you could plug in x equals 1 and it would still work. I don't know. We might try that. But I'll try this first. Okay, so I want to choose my line tool here. Now, when you click it, it pops up like that. You have to click it to make sure it highlights blue. And then just click somewhere and then click somewhere else. Doesn't matter where. And over here on the right-hand side under Graph Layers, I'll expand line 1. And let's see here. This is our 2 points we have. So I'll come here, click. By the way, I'm putting in 0, 4 and negative 1, negative 12. So 0, 4 and negative 1, negative 12. And then that's how you graph your line. Now the question was if I could have put in like x equals 1. Y equals 16 times 1 plus 4. Y is equal to 16 plus 4. Y is equal to 20. So this would give us the point 120. So let me try to change this to 120. I know, put to 0. See, it doesn't let you do it. So you have to keep it within the numbers you see on the screen. I was wondering about that. Let me show this one. Y is 1 minus x squared. So y equals 1 minus x squared. I need 2 points again. I don't know how they do 2 points for a parabola. It doesn't make any sense to me. Parabola in theory should have 3 points, I think. But let's plug in x equals 0. Now, y is equal to 1 minus 0 squared. 0 squared, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So we have the point 0, 1. Let's plug in 1. Y equals 1 minus 1 squared. 1 squared is 1. And I get y is equal to 0. Excuse me. So that's 0.10. Okay, keep these in mind. I'll pick my parabola tool, and again, until you see it turn blue, it's not picked. And just click somewhere, and then click somewhere else. Okay. Come over here to Graph Layers, expand this, and now you see we've got our 2 points. And we're going to be putting in 0, 1, and 1, 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0. And that's how you would graph that. Do not spend time trying to line these up and so forth. Use this Graph Layers over here. It'll make your life so much easier. I guess that was the only graphing ones that are interesting. Only graph ones, period. Okay. Anyway, that gives you a couple examples of how to work with those graphs.